You don't have original Quran.
So we don't.
You don't have original Quran.
So why are you talking about? Why do you want me? Why do you care? Why I should write? I should read the right Quran. You're Christian anyway.
Listen, again I told you.
Yeah.
I came from the Muslim background. I was a Muslim, but I came with a culture.
My dear, if you want to do something for the society, do something good for Christians. There are a lot of Christians.
You hear I'm problem with that. My question is that are you
have
reading?
the answer?
Yes, I do have the
Where is
answer
the-
because you don't have the original Quran. You don't have original Quran.
This is not the original Quran. Okay, let me respond. Sister, you don't have original Quran. Oh really? So according to you, this is not the original Quran, and you still can't even answer it. What a loser. As I told you in my previous videos that Quran says, Ja'al haqqu wa zahqal batil. Let me remind you again. Truth came, falsehood disappeared. Quran's 1400 years old challenge, it will remain till the last day of this world, that if you think that Quran is not from God, then present a single small chapter like this. Easy. You should be ashamed of yourself. You can't even answer a fake man-made book. Your mother will not be proud of you.